Today, I'm raising the stakes. I've got $300 on me, and the goal is simple. Turn it into $3,000. Sounds crazy? Yeah. But days like this either make money or lose it. We're at a flea market in Odesa, and today, you're coming with me. First question, be honest. Is times 10 even possible? Or am I about to lose this money? And one more thing, you're not just watching, you're part of this. Drop a comment. Which watches from this video do you want to see listed from $1? The ones with the most comments, I'll actually list them, starting from $1. That means someone here might get them super cheap. So watch closely, don't skip. Today, there will be mistakes, and there will be wins. Let's go. First thing I see, Vostok Komandirski, $70. Look, walk away. No margin, no deal. Next, tons of fakes. Omega, Rado, look good, worth nothing. Would you spot the fake, or would you take the risk? First buy, Citizen Elegance, steel case, clean, $10. I take it, no hesitation. Why? Easy cleanup equals easy money. Next, Raqueta for $80. Looks great, I pass. Don't fall in love with watches, follow the numbers. Right next to it, Citizen for $6. I take it, but there's risk. Quartz can die anytime. You buy cheap quartz or avoid it. Next, Soviet bracelet watch, gold-plated, $10. Sometimes these hit. Then it gets more interesting. Olma, Swiss, $50. Look closer, almost perfect condition. I take it. Easy flip, or did I overpay? Next, another Orient for $100. Skip. Today's market feels weird. A lot of watches, but not a lot of good deals. You see this too? Rado. For a second I thought, jackpot. Nope, fake. But I grabbed Komandirski from the same seller for $5. Parts equals money too. Then I start digging in junk and find a moon phase watch, $2. I take it. Would you risk it or leave it even for $2? Cartier for $12. Fake, skip. Next, Citizen for $8. Weird size, but sometimes these sell best. Then, Original Orient for $8. Now that's interesting. Next, two Pobeda watches, $5 for both. I take them. And then I realize this looks like a watchmaker's leftovers. Tools, parts, chaos. Zim for $2. Would you dig through this or just walk away? Right next to it, a different world. Chess for $250. Turtle shells for $100. Not my game, and risky for eBay. Then, this moment. Polyot automatic, steel case, rare, $15. I take it. Sometimes the seller doesn't know what they have. Is this a steal or am I missing something? Next, Molnia for $5. Parts. Citizen for $5. Seiko Automatic for $10. But the glass, problem. I take it anyway. Would you risk it? Next, Ural for $10. Running. I take it. Komandirski for $5. And here's the thing. This is the kind of cash you bring to a flea market, because decisions here are seconds. You hesitate, you lose. Next, Slava for $2. And now, this is why we're here. I love painted dials, and they're rare. Then I find this, Pobeda Red 12, 1950s. Rare dial with artwork, $20. I take it. Is this a top find or just looks cool? This is why I do this. Next, Komandirski, Odesa Military Academy dial, $10. Rare, I take it. Pobeda, dead. But next to it, Vostok for $1. I take it. Would you grab it for $1? Next, Luch for 50 cents. I take it. And now, this moment matters. Orient for $10. Seller says, not working. I pick it up, shake it a little, and it starts running. Would you check it or walk away? Most money is lost right here, not paying attention. Next, Tissot, $30. Great condition. I take it. And now the risk. Rado for $25. Looks like a fake, but sometimes risk is the only way to grow. I take it. And the last one, Orient Quartz, $10. That's it. That's the day, that's the haul. All right, now the most important part, the giveaway results. Quick reminder, you had to guess the final auction price of the PRATINA watch. The auction ended, and the final price was $14.50. And one of you got really close. The winning guess was $15. That's the closest answer. Congrats, you win! But that's not all. I used a random number generator, and it landed on number 10. That means you win watch number 10. Reply to my comment so I can contact you and ship your prize. And for everyone else, don't worry, this is just the beginning. More giveaways coming, more finds, more chances to win. So stay active, drop comments, and don't miss the next videos, because the next winner could be you. See you in the next one.